Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As usual, we do our weekly recap. We just go back into the market and look at the opportunities we took, the ones probably missed, and try to make our trading better the next week, right? So you're welcome back to this channel, and let's jump right into it. So guys, as you can see, this is Monday here. Right here is Monday. So price opened here. Now this looks clearly like a head and shoulder pattern, right? But then remember that price just opened here, so you have not like seen the complete picture of what is being painted, right? So price opened, traded to the top, traded back right into this level. So while price was right here, trading here, I just activated this because you can see clearly that from the previous day we had a support level around here. Yep. So what I did was just to pull out this support level. This is my zone, and then I waited for price to come right into it. So price did come right into it, and then I entered here for a buy, and I was able to catch this move all the way up into this exact level here. We had that key level there, 1.23 000 key level. So I was able to just catch that move on Monday. But I usually don't trade on Mondays, but I just seen that opportunity through the weekend. I'd done some back testing, so I just went in quickly to just grab that small bite there on Monday. Then I was also able to call out the whole move. Also able to call out the whole move on my YouTube here. I was able to see the picture and realize that okay, price was actually making a head and shoulder pattern, having given us this shoulder here, and then price just came right here to give us the shoulder, and I was able to call the move for a sell to the downside to close this sell side liquidity right over here, right? So and then that was successful, even though we only traded that quick bite on Monday. I was able to call out that opportunity just for those people that trade on Mondays to be able to get a huge chunk of that sell, right? So let's move right into Tuesday. So this is where Tuesday started from here. Tuesday started from here. So price went all the way up to the top side, traded there, and then traded to the downside. So simple thing I did was just to take out this level right here, the Asian high. So I just placed out this level right here. Yeah, so upon price coming back into my level, I just entered for a sell, and I was able to catch this move all the way to the downside, right? So that was very simple. I just took a chunk there also on Tuesday, and I was out of the market because you can see how it is this December period. Lots of traders have actually gone out of the market. Some are preparing for their vacation, so it's kind of very difficult to get a huge lots of move like that, a huge move with a whole lot of pips, right? So you just want to keep catching your 20-30 and then catching it really big and just being out of the market, right? So that's how we trade December periods. So let's proceed into Wednesday, and you can see that there were actually lots of opportunities on Tuesday. We just took a piece out of the market and then we left because you can see this level here acted as a whole resistance level where you have been getting buys bouncing off of that. You could still have been able to catch this move here, but then we just took a piece of the pie and then we're out of the market, right? You don't want to be greedy. You take what you want and then you just be out of the market. So coming into Wednesday, right? So this was Wednesday. Good. Okay, this was Wednesday. So upon coming into Wednesday, price gave us like a little trend line just here. Price gave us this little trend line here, and then as you can see, price gave us a little trend line here, gave us a break, gave us a pullback to test that trend line, and then boom, all the way to the top side, right? So that was what happened. Yep. So we got that buy all the way to the top side, and then coming into Thursday, the overall picture was now beginning to look very clear to me on Thursday, the overall picture, because you can see now that price has just been trying to paint a picture, right? Candlesticks is how we identify what is going to happen in the financial market, right? So the whole move was now looking very clear to me on Thursday, and then started from my top-down analysis, because as a day trader, I usually go to the 4-hour time frame to analyze the 4-hour time frame, and then I go into the 1-hour time frame, and then I now come into the 15 minutes to execute. So you can see this whole move here on the 1-hour time frame. Yeah, on the 1-hour time frame, it was looking really clear, right? Let me just take out all of this. So on the 1-hour time frame, it was looking really clear, in the sense that you can see clearly that price was trying to create a head and shoulder inverse. Can you see that? So this is the head, and then upon spotting this like this, so I knew that okay, price was creating an inverse head and shoulder. So I just came right here, picked this tool here, my rectangle, plotted it from this place here, the previous shoulder, right? I just dragged it all the way down here, and then I also called this out to my team, because it was very clear that okay, price was now creating an inverse head and shoulder. So upon price coming back into my box, I called this out on Thursday, and I called it out for a buy with our take profit somewhere around this level here at 1.23300, just somewhere right here. All right, but then as I told you, December the market moves slowly, so taking a large chunk of the market would require you to hold your trade for days, right? So I called out this move, and then I just quickly took my profit somewhere here, and that was okay, but those that held the trade for days, they were also able to catch the whole thing from here all the way to the top level right over there. You can see they're able to catch the move all the way here. Now that is a whole lot of pips, right? So it was a profitable week for us. Let's just go back into the 15 minutes time frame. So you can see it's looking clear right now. So I was able to spot down on my top-down analysis, and then we're able to get this whole move. On Friday, I didn't trade because I knew price was just going up all the way. I had already hit my target for the week, so I stayed out of the market on Friday because price was just going up to reach our take profit level here at 1.23300, and you can see that was what happened. So that was how this week had gone for us. So let me just do a recap, a very fast recap. So you can see the opportunities we got, the ones we took. So this was Monday, right? This was Monday. I was able to use this level here. Okay, let me just clean up the whole thing. So coming into Monday, I don't trade on Mondays, but then I was just able to take a bite out of the market. So I just catch this move all the way to this key level here at 1.23340, and I was out of the market. I was now able to also call out this move here for price to take out this sell side liquidity. I called out this move right here on my channel. So that was what happened on Monday, and then I was out of the market, right? I didn't even trade this whole lot of selling opportunity. I just called it out on my channel, and then I was out of the market. So let's come right back into Tuesday. So upon coming into Tuesday, I was able to just spot this opportunity right here using the Asian high and low of the day. So I waited for price to just go into that box of mine, and then I was able to sell this move all the way to the downside right here, and I was out of the market Tuesday. But then you could see that there were lots of other opportunities, lots of other buying opportunities, but I just took that chunk and then I was out of the market. Coming into Wednesday, okay, we got the two opportunity here. And see, we have the trend line break and retest. Right, so we just got this trend line break and retest. Break. Okay, we got that trend line break, retest, and then the move all the way to the top side. So that was very basic, very basic. And then now coming right into Thursday here, we're now beginning to get like the clearer picture of what price was actually painting the whole week, right? So, and then I was able to spot this move. I was now able to spot the complete move, and then I realized that okay, price was actually giving us what? An inverse head and shoulder pattern on the 1 hour time frame. And then we were able to come execute our trade on the 15 minutes time frame anyways. So guys, that was how the week went for us, and then I think my network is out. Alright, so we're back. Let's just go back into the 1 hour time frame. Alright, so coming back into the 1 hour time frame, you can clearly see that here we had an inverse head and shoulder playing out here, right? And upon price coming right here, we entered for a buy to catch this move all the way to the top side here, which we had to hold the trade until the next day. I myself, I took profit somewhere around here, so I was out of the market right there, right? So I didn't get to trade on Friday, so it was a beautiful week for us. And then I just thought to share this out here as I usually do. So guys, thank you for watching. If you want to be a mentor, a mentorship student, you can just send me a message and I'll get back to you immediately. For you that are here watching, please kindly like and subscribe so the YouTube algorithm can share this to other traders, and hopefully this helps someone out there. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.